Bitcoin, so many things going on out there. You want to know the last information? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo here today, bringing you this chart from Bitcoin, and we are going up. You can see right now we are around 61,500, and we are in a similar situation. We were up here, so hopefully we hold this red line. It's so good being above $60,000, of course, and we need to break the previous high in the lower frame, the 62,729. We'll see about that. We keep you posted here. Remember, also we have this white line. It might be resistance at 64,700 and something. It's good to know that the gaps are filled out there, so we can forget about that by now. And Ethereum is trying to go to this $3,000 line. Also, Ethereum going up like crazy. We see we broke previous highs in this 2,715, and we might fill this gap of the $3,000. We'll see for Ethereum that right now some people believe is the winner. Some are going to Ethereum right now. Some are turning from Bitcoin. Well, allegedly, Ethereum funds accounted for 88% of all ETFs inflows last week. Awesome for Ethereum. Also, that Grayscale Ethereum Trust has notched its first day of zero outflows, bringing an end to a 14 days outslang that saw the fund bleed nearly 2.3 billion. Remember, we told you we should wait 2 weeks after these Ethereum ETFs were approved. Well, those are over. And yesterday, the spot Ethereum ETF saw 24.3 million inflow. Awesome stuff. Consider that despite the dip, whales keep stacking Ethereum. The Ethereum exchange balance just hit a new low. And also, according to smart contracts, we are approaching 40% mark. We are not in extreme fear anymore with Ethereum, but still some fear out there, 36, while a single whale is accumulating nearly $100 million in Ethereum in under 2 months. So maybe you're scared, but this whale is not whatsoever, as you can see. Consider also some interesting data. Over 8.5 million addresses on L2s last month. That's almost double the previous all-time high. So again, show after show, we're telling you Ethereum is being used, and also all this ecosystem. Back to Bitcoin, you can see the chart moving right now up for the green, and we are in the weekly chart above this $60,000 line, which is amazing. If we go to the monthly, well, we're still in the red right now, but you can see that we are above the $60,000 line, and that is a very, very good one for Bitcoin. As we told you in previous videos, you have to watch them all. We told you about the importance having the same situation to 2016. You have all that data in previous videos. Also, this way we are following to the day the elections in United States are going to take place. 83 days right now, and 36 days for the next Fed decision of rising or not, or cutting the rates in United States. So you can see we went all the way down to 57, something like this, and now we wonder if we did this point already, so that we now are kind of go to this point in 62,000, or again we have to wait till that point. We'll see about that. We'll tell you in next videos. Remember to smash the like button, and we will follow also this idea from Max that believes that Bitcoin might go to $68,000 and then had a retest in this line and fall again. The stock market will have part in this future, of course. Yesterday, good day in United States. You can see everything in the green, good data that we told you about, and dollars going down, maybe to this trend line that we draw in the past. Consider that UAE and India use XRP, not US dollar, in historic oil trade. So this is starting. Now we're going to have trades out there, not in dollar, but in cryptocurrencies. We told you in previous video. ETFs, not a bad day, and you need to consider that BlackRock is buying kind of 500 Bitcoin almost every day, as you see in this chart. Consider that US Bitcoin ETFs could soon pass Satoshi Nakamoto in total Bitcoin holdings. Satoshi has 1 million and ETFs out there 900,000 right now. So those are close. It's good for today that 1 billion USDT freely were minted at Bitcoin, turning it into green. Remember the correlation between this stated creation and the market going green. It's something that usually happens, and we can see it right now also. We have important information about exchanges. Bitcoin reserves there at 2018 levels. This is crazy, and it reminds us of the liquidity crisis that we might experience soon enough. When we have 1 trillion bank just approved its advisors to pitch Bitwise Bitcoin and crypto companies ETF. So important, all these institutions coming into Bitcoin. Meta planning acquiring additional 57 Bitcoin, bringing their total to 303 Bitcoin value close to $3 billion. And we told you on CryptoNews on X, Twitter, follow us there. El Salvador Congress modified the law so it would defend more self-custody on your cryptos. And did you know that Bitcoin miner Marathon is going to stamp every block it mines with Made in USA? That's a good one. It comes from Donald Trump probably saying that all the Bitcoin is going to be printed and minted in the United States soil. What about the next peak cycle? Maybe $300,000, a million, $500,000. Well, this is what Quinten wrote here and drew here with this projection that seems awesome. It would be 120K this December, and then at the peak of this cycle, it might be in $500,000. When we are rich with crypto, we are not telling anyone, but there will be signs. This is this naive post with this crazy girl dancing as we are going to dance if all this works out well. Extreme fear still in the market besides all the information I'm just telling you. Well, we just start into fear, which is a good thing. And well, mostly comes because of course, empty gogs. We have a wallet moving a lot of Bitcoin. This is BitGo, it's confirmed. And yeah, we still need to have all this just out there and in the users' wallets. Also, it's not a good thing, in my opinion, that I listened to the whole thing with Donald Trump and Elon Musk, and they didn't mention Bitcoin or crypto whatsoever. I didn't enjoy that, of course. The market in the green, as I'm telling you, you can see the bubbles out there now fighting for being greener and greener. And we have some good stuff. Allegedly, Coinbase is going to create its own token, wrapped Bitcoin, would be called CB Bitcoin, and would be launched on its layer 2 network base. Also, good information for XRP. Allegedly, we have XRP futures contracts filled under the CFTC. So maybe the next ETF in United States is for Ripple XRP, or maybe it would be for Solana, as many believe. PYUSD, the PayPal stablecoin supply on Solana, flipped its Ethereum supply. So again, this fight between Ethereum and Solana keeps on going. That's a wrap for today, and this is our cat today. He's an astronaut ready to fly to the moon with this bag. Be careful out there, you need to breathe. So go out there and breathe after all this information. But if you want to keep on learning, just watch our other channel, AI News, everything about artificial intelligence. If you want more about crypto, of course, here on CryptoNews with Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring peace, and the best is yet to come.